I'm Aston Fuller, General Manager at Glass Futures, and we're here again just with an update on the pilot line facility. Huge amount of progress since we were last on site and filming. We've got the full crusher, cold end inspection, lehr, roll plate machine, all mechanically and electrically installed. And we're just finalising all the final mechanical installations of the fore-aft skids and the actual fore-aft installation itself, as well as some final finishing touches on the insulation for our truly unique pilot line. So as we near the completion of the plant, we can start to see the way that these processes are coming together. So where I'm standing at the moment, in several months' time, we'll actually have glass flowing through it at about 900 or 1,000 degrees. So let me give you an idea about this process. We've got our roll plate machine, cooled rollers, we have our lehr entrance here. So here we'll have a continuous ribbon of glass sheet running 24/7, really helping us to do the research we need on things like our low carbon fuels. Some of those key mechanical and electrical installations really surround our alternative fuels work, particularly around our boost and our electrodes. As you can see here, all the main infrastructure for all of the cooling for that electrodes is now in place. A few more instruments and control system pieces to go in, but very much close to completion. So I'm standing now in the heart of what will be our plant-wide automation system nerve centre. You can see our control screens and our control room philosophy coming together. Here we're going to have our main control room operators for Glass Futures, their space, their area to work, and for all of our project partners, their own replicated smaller scale control room as well, really giving people that opportunity to use the facility to really develop the innovation of the future. Some other key work that's been completed recently is the mechanical installation and the finalisation of the abatement and the stack system. There's the electrical containment and the final electrical connections to make, but really the majority of this work is now complete and ready to go for its commissioning period very shortly as well. Some of the key infrastructure we've also been completing is really about supporting our innovation on site. Part of that includes having the ability to fire hydrogen on a number of different assets on the site. This has been completed very recently from a mechanical electrical installation perspective and is about to be commissioned over the course of the next coming weeks, provided by our member Rise Hydrogen. This equipment really signifies the power of collaboration in what we do. Here we're hosting a Ceramics UK kiln supporting the ceramics industry, firing products between gaseous blends of hydrogen and natural gas, really leveraging the information that we've learned helping the glass industry to support other foundation industries as well. So an important part of providing the support for the infrastructure we've installed inside the building is a really state-of-the-art flexible abatement plant and appropriate stack system as well. I'm really proud to think about the impact we've had on the place in the community we're working in to have erected the first stack dedicated to glass making in over 30 years in St Helens, really allowing us to see at scale innovation in the heart of St Helens, the home of glass.